Cash App card at Walmart. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to load a Cash App card at Walmart. So let's get started. First, open the Cash application, launch the Cash App on your smartphone, tap the banking tab bank icon on the home screen. After that, choose paper money option to view nearby deposit locations. Then generate a barcode. For this, select a Walmart location and tap show barcode. After that, go to the customer service desk or MoneyCenter at the Walmart you selected. Inform the cashier you want to add funds to your Cash App card. Show the barcode and hand over the cash. Minimum deposit is $5, maximum per transaction is $500. After the cashier scans the barcode and processes the payment, the funds will appear in your Cash App balance. And that's how you will be able to load a Cash App card at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.